Alright, we in there. What's up, YouTube? No fancy intro today. We're just gonna get straight to action. Cause it's looking too good. So we just wanted to get in the water. Alright, first thing we got tied up today. Some little crankbait. Little yellow crankbait. I'll throw this right over here. On this weed line. I don't know if that's close enough, probably not. There it is. First fish of the day. What we got here? Green sunfish. I'll take it. I'll take it. That gets the skunk out the boat. First fish of the day. Just a little green sunfish. We're looking for much bigger fish than that. There's another one. Oh, that's a good one too. This is a catfish. Gotta be. Feels like a catfish. Yep, catfish. Get in here. Yes, sir. Let's go. Here we go. Second fish of the day. First keeper. Nice channel catfish. Let's go. Get him on the stringer. Goes, baby. On the stringer and tied off. Here's one. Fish number 3. Species number 3. Bluegill. Fish number 3, species number 3. Nice little bluegill. Let's go. Got the sun poking through now. Clouds are moving on. See if the bite picks up. Get into these evening hours here a little bit. There's one. What is this? Bass. First bass of the day. Let's go. Go. First bass. Decent one. Take it. Let's go. Man, this area a little bit longer. That's why I caught 2 right here. Oh, there's one. Whoa. This is something good. big, and it's gotta be a catfish. I can't get no ground on him. This is something big. Oh my God. What is it? It's a catfish. A big old catfish. Are you serious? We got him. Oh, we had him. We got him. Are you kidding me right now? Oh. Are you fucking kidding me right now? Look at this dude. And he got the crankbait all the way in his mouth too. Alright. I just broke it off because he's got it way down his throat. When I gut him, when I get to the house, I will go ahead and get my crankbait back. But do you guys see this freaking channel catfish? That's got to be like 6 or 7 pounds. I don't have my scale with me on the boat. I do have it in the car though. So when I get back to the car, I'll get a weight on this dude. Yes, sir. Tied off. Let's go. Here's one. He's wrapped up in something. Did he come off? I don't know. He didn't come off. He just got a whole bunch of stuff with him. And it's a green sunfish. First fish on the popper. It's just a tiny green sunfish. Go figure. There you go. I think that's number 6 or 7 overall. Got him. Oh, it feels kind of weird too. Come here. Oh yeah, this is a good one. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's go. That's a good one. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. It's going on a stringer. There you go. Y'all go ahead and make friends. Got him. Another one. Let's go. Not quite as big as the first one, but we'll take him. Let's go, baby. It's a decent one. Probably about a pound, I would say. It's top water time, y'all. Sun's going down. Lights getting low. It's about to get hot. Got him. Oh. Got him. Oh, that's a good one. Yes, sir. Another keeper, baby. Let's go. That's another good one. Yes, sir. Let's go. Oh. I hope you guys saw that. Got him. Oh, that's a good one too. I saw it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Chill out, chill out. There we go. Another keeper size one, baby. Let's go. Look at this stringer, y'all. Bruh. I wish I would have had the camera going. I cut the camera off real quick to readjust the boat. This dude snatched it. I'm talking about he jumped out the water to snatch it. There we go. I think that's number 10, if I'm not mistaken. Might be 11 though. Another small one. All right, y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day there. As you guys can see, it got dark on me out here. I'm going home with a freaking crazy looking stringer though. 2 nice sized channel catfish, 1 really big one, and then 3 nice bass. I gotta get the weight on this channel catfish real quick. All right. Oh, that's kgs. pounds. Here. 3.99. 4 pounds. Let's go. That is definitely a kayak catfish PB. I'm gonna go ahead and end it on that. Let's go, baby. Appreciate y'all tuning in today, though. Make sure you like, subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.